al, el, il, ol, ol. Am, em, im, om, an, en, in, on, the on sound. Up, ep, ip, op, oop. Af, ef, if, och, oof. The quiz sound. F, if, oh, oof, if. All right. A, e, I, o, u. Now let's put it together. So I have al, el, il, ol, ol. Am, em, im, om, an, en, in, on, un. Ap, ep, ip, op, oop. Ak, ek, ik, ok, oof. A, e, I, o, u. A, e, I, o, u. All right, let's look at the words that goes with them. So for al, I have alarm, alarm, alert, Alaska, album, Albert. Now from these sounds, we're going to get the A and the A. I told you English has 26 letters, and each of these 26 letters has 2 forms of pronunciation, whereas some has 3, okay? That includes the K and the C, right? So let's see the next one, the L. The L has element, elasticity, electricity, elephant, election, elaborate. We have the ill, illegal, illicit, illuminate, illuminate, illegitimate, illegitimate, illiteracy, illiteracy, the illiteracy, illegitimate, illegal. Now let's see the next one, the OL, the old sound. So we have old, oligarchy, oligarchy, Olympic, Olympic, olive, olive, olfactory, olfactory, oligopoly, oligopoly. Now to the M, I have the sound. I have amalilo, amaze, amass, amplify, amputate, ambiguous, ambush, amendment, amateur, Amazon, ambitious, ambassador, ambitious, Amazon. Now let's see the next one. The EM, I have the AN sound, I have emulation, email, email, embalm, embalm, embezzle, embezzle, emerge, emigrant, emigrant, emotion, emotion, empire, empire. Now you can see the E and the air playing, okay? Emerge, emerge, the air sound, emotion, emerge, empire, the S sound, emulates, emulates, and the rest. So the next one I have the I am, you have important, important, image, image, imagination, immune, immune, impact, impact, implosive, impulsive, impact, impose, impose. I have the next one, the sound, omission, omission, omega, 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 omit, omit, omini, omini, oman, oman. Now let's see the next one. So this next one, the sound, we have the umbra, 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 umbel, umbel. We don't have much words we are familiar with for this one. So let's move to the next one. I have the an sound, the an, analog, analog, anarchy, 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 ancient, ancient, Anderson, animal, angelic, angelic, annoyed, annoyed, answer, answer. All right, so let's see the next one. The encrypt, enact, 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 enclose, enclose, encapsulated, encapsulated, enchant, end, end, encourage, encourage, endorsement, endorsement, enforce, enforce, energy, energy. So you can see how the E is changing and the N is changing. For some places they are sounds EN, some places it sounds ANI. All right, energy, 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 the E, the NI, energy, right? So let's see the next one. The inmate, inmate, incompetent, incomplete. So everything falls under the in. So you can add like fix yours there. We have inmate, incompetent, incomplete, important. Just add yours, okay? The key word there is in. All right, let's see the next one. The UN, the un sound. You have unemployed, unimportant, unhappy, uncomfortable. So the key word there is the the UN. We have the the ON, and the UN. So know which is which. All right. So let's see the next sound, which is the AP, the app, app. We have applicant, applicant, application, application, apology, apology, appeal, appeal, apricots, apricots, April, April, approval, approval, appoint, appoint. Now we have the EP, epistle, epistle, Ephesus, Ephesus, epic, epic, epiphany, epiphany, epilepsy, epilepsy, epilogue, epilogue, epiphatic, epiphatic, apron, apron. Now let's see the next one, which is the IP, the ip sound. So it could be iPhone, iPhone. We don't have much words we are familiar with for IP, but you can just fix iPhone, then you can add yours if there is anyone you know. We are learning, so you add yours if you know anyone, but I know we're not familiar with words that falls with IP. All right, so let's move to the next one, the O. We have the up, open, opal, operation, opposite, optic, opponent, opportunity, option. The next one we have UP, the oop sound, the oop. We have up, upcast, upper, uproot. So it's about up, okay? So let's see the next one. Now we have the ak sound, aku. Now feel the rest, okay? Add 2 or 3 that you know. Now let's see the next one. Ik. We have the equal, equate, equation, equilibrium. So add the remaining one, add yours. We don't have much words that we are familiar with that falls under the IQ. So let's see the next one. Now we don't have words much that fall under these categories of the OQ, the UQ, the IQ. Okay, you can actually try adding something pronounceable by yourself so that you can actually know if you're getting the gist. Oh, we don't have much words that fall under that category, but you can try, you can do something, you know, anything, even if it's your local language. At least it's all about practice, you know. So let's see the next one, which is the R. So I have the R, I have arithmetic, articulate, art, the work of art, army. We have the AR, we have erect, we have erupt. So try fixing 2 or 3, okay? Now the next one, the IR, we have the irregular, okay? Fix up the remaining one. I'm just going to be giving you 1 or 2 here. I would have left the whole of this one for you to do, okay? But I want us to irritability, add yours, okay? Now the next one, the OR, the O, we have orange, oracle, orchard, organization. Fix the rest, okay? So the next one, which is the last for today, we have the UR, okay? We don't have much words that fall under that category. Okay, so this is where we are calling it short for today's video, and I hope you learned something out of this video. Don't forget to stay safe, and bye for now.